It's week 32 of actually going outside in 2026, and this week I'm just going for a silly little bike ride through the forest in Birds Hill Park. So this week I didn't feel like driving out anywhere far away, so I'm just back at good old Birds Hill Park, and I decided to visit the lime kiln again, since I saw it in the winter, but I kind of didn't really see it because it was buried with snow. So I figured it would be a good week to just go take a look at that. So to make things interesting, rather than following any really established trails, I punched in my start point and I think where the end point is on Gaia, let it draw a map, draw a line on all of the little back forest trails, and I'm following those. But it feels like more of a fun adventure than just following a big trail. I don't know. Gotta keep myself entertained somehow. Oh, hey, look, a real trail. Not following it, of course. I'm pretty sure this is a fat biking trail in the winter. And you know, it's got me thinking. Bet that would be pretty fun, doing a little winter fat biking. Because if there's one thing I need, it's more bikes. I don't know if it comes through on the camera, but this section really kind of feels like a tunnel. Ow. Well, hey, I'm at the ski trail. Ooh, that's pretty nice. I kind of guessed as to where the lime kiln was when I made my line, but it ends right there, and I'm here. So it was a very good guess. Also, I just got distracted by a bug on my camera. Bye. Very interesting. And suddenly there are turkeys. Hi there, fellas. Sorry, I'll stop bothering you. I seem to have stumbled into a petting zoo that I didn't know was here. Hi there. What's your name? No? No interest in head scritches? Wow. Such a fuss. After all of the gallivanting through the forest on the way out, I've decided to just take the easy road on the way back. I'm covered in quite enough spiders as it is. Well, that was obviously a bit of a dumb route, but I had fun with it. It was a good little adventure. Anyway, see you next week.